Hello, I would like to introduce you to a company that is leading a global lighting revolution with LED optics technology innovation and provides a variety of energy-efficient lighting products for commercial and industrial use. Shinpol Optics Technology is a supplier and manufacturer of LED lighting, specializing in lowering energy costs while improving lighting performance. Shinpol is dedicated to creating a better quality, eco-friendly, efficient lighting environment, using only materials from the very best suppliers and offering original product lines. To name a few, they offer products such as LED spotlights, LED flood lamps, LED working lamps, and commercial lightings. All Shinpol products are quality tested and approved using the highest manufacturing standards and certifications in the industry. Shinpol aspires to offering the very best customer and partner experience, and with great enthusiasm, driven by a business philosophy of social responsibility in the field of photovoltaic lighting. Shinpol adheres for a world of customers' needs, while at the same time creating a cause awareness for environmental protection, energy conservation, exploration, and innovation. Shinpol provides quality LED lightings, which are widely used in various sectors of the commercial lighting, such as retail, restaurants, outdoor, hospitality, healthcare, office buildings, roadways, industrial, and many more. The lighting market is always changing, and Shinpol is on top of the industry when it comes to the world of LED lighting products. Products that have given enterprise customers 50 to 60% energy savings and maintenance reduction. Shinpol is not just a LED product supplier. They are a value provider, benefiting companies, city operators, consumers, but most importantly, they are a business partner you can fully trust. So, what can Shinpol do for you? Contact Shinpol today to find out what best lighting systems suit your power and energy management needs. Visit www.shinpol.com or email them at gm@shinpol.com.